Tributaries started as an ecological restoration company. We create buffers with native plants, and they can be flowering plants that provide beauty and create a food source and cover for wildlife. We grow cardinal flower, we grow my favorite, blue flag iris. We grow swamp milkweed because that's something else that we've tried to help the monarch butterfly populations. There's a lot of habitat loss from the farm field's edge where there once was a lot of milkweed, and that habitat loss has created less monarch butterflies. And there's insects associated with all of these native plants, and without those native plants you don't see those insects. And without those insects you don't have birds, and everybody likes to see the birds. So we've created a strategy, and that allows clear water, it allows submerged aquatic vegetation, and healthier water being let out into the bay.